Welcome back to Tech Train Solutions Podcast. My name is Sean, and welcome to episode 2 of Where to Find an Apprenticeship, Where to Find a Job, and How to Get into Our World. Let's begin. If you are a struggling high school student looking for a path and you're like, college is just not for me, what do I do? Or you're a college student, already working on your degree, but you're like, I'm getting tired of this. I need to find something different, and someone's forcing you, and you're lost and confused. I've seen it. Or you might be that career guy and you see your job going. Well, here in this episode, let me help you find different spots in which you can find a career. So let's begin. The many different avenues which you have are your local, state websites that have availability and jobs and apprenticeships located in that specific state. The many different avenues which you have are your local, state websites that have availability and jobs and apprenticeships located in that specific state. You also have your federal level. That is called apprenticeship.gov, which is federally funded, and it lets you know in your area what's available. So I'm going to show you the first one, which is PA Career Link, which is in my state, and it's a website in which you do your basic search, your zip code where you live, and then click search, and it tells you what's in your area. So let me show you what that looks like. Here is pacareerlink.gov. If you look at the website, you will see a nice little page. It's beautiful. You click on that keyword right here, welcome to PA Career Link. When I open up another page, this is what you'll be seeing. It says individuals, employers. What I would recommend you do is register as a new user. That way you can keep your searches up and running. It tells me I have 12,592 new jobs posted, 96,000 jobs available, 1,161 registered apprenticeships, and so on. This is the state of Pennsylvania. Each state might have their own, and I'll cover that in a minute. But how I want to show you, it's pretty easy to search. I went into the search engine, hit apprenticeship or apprentice. I click search. I didn't click area. I just wanted to see what's available in my state. What you see here is 2025 electrical apprenticeship, apprentice signal trainee. I have one in Missouri, Lock Haven, Lewistown, Altoona. These are different type of apprenticeships that are in the area. Here is the other one. If you see here, it's a jeweler apprenticeship. For those who want to try that, it's there for you. See, one's in Willow Grove, one's in Lancaster. This is called pacareerlink.gov.